Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course we talk about the fact that Recall is now being tested in the Insider rings and will eventually be officially released on 24H2 for all the users of Copilot Plus PCs. And there's an article from Zach Bowen that often writes about Microsoft stuff and Windows. And he's used Recall and finds it to be a very good feature. And this is exactly what I think also of Recall. Contrary to a lot of people that are just going crazy over nothing, the Recall feature is, in a sense, something that's absolutely fantastic for anybody that works on PCs, does a lot of things, writes documents, and needs pictures, and does so much that from time to time you need to find that thing that you did a few weeks back that maybe you forgot. Maybe it's a text that you were writing on and that you just don't know where it is anymore, and you need a quick and great way to find it. Well, Recall is that, and Recall, once configured to the way that you want to use it, is going to be a game changer for a lot of power users of a PC. If you work on your computer and you have files scattered everywhere, documents everywhere, web pages everywhere, this is essentially the feature that just aggregates all of that and makes it very easy for you to find anything. Zach Bowen has been playing with it a lot, and he's thrilled actually at the feature. And I do see this feature being something that could be extremely useful even in enterprise for people using Copilot Plus PCs. So, of course, they have addressed pretty much every privacy concern there was. And, I think the way that it is now is much better than its original way of being, where there was way too much loopholes where you could, slip through some privacy hoops. I think Microsoft has done it right this time around. And, it'll be easy, even with voice search, to find a document or certain thing, or, even a meetup or an email or something that you don't remember where it is. You don't remember exactly when, but, a few weeks ago you had this email with this person. Where can you find it for me? In a very quick and easy way to do it, without having to, open apps and start searching through the emails and going through options or searching through obscure search options within the apps themselves. Find a picture that, I took a picture of my cat with a Santa hat on. Where is it? Where did I put it? I don't remember. Well, you'll be able to ask Recall. Recall is, in fact, something that from the start, it has to be done right. And I think Microsoft, the delay that they gave to Recall is good, because they've been able to address all the concerns and the privacy concerns. Once again, there's so many people out there that just are so funny, because there's this encryption key, so you'll have to ask Microsoft for the key. Microsoft doesn't have a key. It's like if you're using BitLocker. You lose that key, there is no way to recover at all. Microsoft does not have a decryptor. That's untrue. A lot of people are actually, doing a lot of fake news around all of this. And Recall is one where there's a lot of hype and a lot of fake news. Why? Just to get the maximum amount of views on YouTube videos. So I think Recall could be a big success for what it's capable of doing and helping out in a work environment particularly. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll post the link to the Zach Bowen article in the description below.